introducing our RFID-based automatic sanitary napkin vending machine with a capacity of 50 napkins, equipped with advanced sensor-based technology. This vending machine offers a seamless and efficient solution for females to access sanitary napkins during emergencies. With a capacity of 50 napkins, this automatic vending machine ensures an abundant supply of sanitary napkins for users. To obtain a napkin, simply check the availability through the glass window. Then tap your RFID card in front of the machine, and the napkin will be automatically dispensed. Users can collect the napkin from the bottom compartment with ease. Operating with electricity and equipped with power backup, this vending machine guarantees uninterrupted functionality even during power outages. Our RFID 50 vending machine offers the flexibility of both free and paid vending options. Users can choose to avail the napkins at no additional cost or make a payment, depending on the setup. We provide a 1-year warranty for our machines, ensuring customer satisfaction and peace of mind. These vending machines are well suited for installation in ladies' toilets at school, colleges, hospitals, airports, and various institutions where women work or study. They provide a convenient and hygienic solution for accessing sanitary napkins. Choose our RFID-based automatic sanitary napkin vending machine to provide a reliable, user-friendly, and customizable solution that promotes hygiene and convenience for females in diverse environments.